We are living in a world with various colors, like bright colored flowers, green leaves, gorgeous garment, brilliant neon. Color change is a common phenomenon in chemical reactions, and many chemical reactions go with obvious color change, like a magic, magnificent and colored. You will not miss such a wonderful world of chemistry, will you? The design concept of this kit of chemical activity is close to daily life, which is interesting and easy to operate and can generate obvious chemical reactions. Children can personally operate and observe color change of substances in the experiences at home rather than laboratory. Dull chemical knowledge is turned into various magic chemical phenomena, so that children can develop deep interest in chemistry science and enhance their knowledge in it.